Ever wondered what the potential of a second Trump presidency could mean for the United States and the world? It's a question that has stirred a lot of conversation. Donald Trump, a figure who stirs both admiration and controversy, is once again seeking the seat of power. His previous term was marked by tumultuous moments and policy decisions that still resonate today. Let's explore together the profound problems that his leadership style brought with it. To understand the potential impact of another Trump presidency, we must first revisit his previous term. It was a period marked by societal division, with heightened instances of racism and xenophobia. The disregard for democratic norms and institutions became the norm, rather than the exception. Moving on to environmental concerns, Trump's policy of deregulation and denial of climate change pushed us further from the goal of a sustainable future. The consequences of these actions are not abstract. They directly impact the world our children and grandchildren will inherit. The gap between the rich and the poor widened during Trump's tenure, with social inequality becoming more pronounced. Millions of Americans still struggle to access affordable healthcare and education, a struggle that was exacerbated under his leadership. On the international stage, Trump's unpredictable decisions and impulsive tweets caused ripples in long-standing alliances. The world watched as the United States, a country once seen as a rock of stability, became a source of uncertainty. These were the notable occurrences during Trump's reign. What could another term under his leadership look like? The reality is that we might be on the brink of finding out. But remember, the future is not set in stone. We have the power to shape it. Let's use it wisely. Now let's forecast the implications of another Trump presidency based on his past actions. If history is any guide, we could be in for a tumultuous ride. The environment may continue to bear the brunt of policies that favor deregulation over sustainability. Issues of social equity may further worsen, as the rich-poor divide deepens and access to affordable healthcare and education remains a distant dream for many. On the international stage, we may continue to see unpredictable decisions and strained alliances, keeping the world on edge. The stakes are high, and the path we choose now will shape the world for generations to come. So, are we ready for another round of Trump? Or is it time for a change? The answer to that question lies within each of us, and the choices we make will determine the course of our shared future. As we stand at this pivotal point in history, the choice is ours. We must consider the implications of another Trump presidency. The societal unrest, the environmental damage, the widening social inequity. Do we want to revisit this turbulent past? Or do we strive for a future where unity, peace, and sustainability are prioritized? The question remains, do we want to return to a time of chaos and division, or is it time for a change? The decision is ours to make.